Students. So children, yes, 2 days before we have done the same chapter, that is house I need, and in that we did what is a house and the rooms in a house. We all live in a house with our family, you all know, and house, it protects us from sun, wind, rain, wild animals, cold and thieves. Then there are number of rooms. Okay, houses can be big or small. Okay, in big houses we'll be having many rooms. In small house we'll be having less rooms. And rooms, the name of rooms are like kitchen, drawing room, bathroom, bedroom, study room, dining room, and many others. Okay, now today we will going to continue the same chapter, that is house I need, chapter number 6. And for that you all have to take out page number 32. But before this, let's have a look here. Types of houses. Okay, types of houses. First is big and strong houses. Big and strong houses, they are also called pakka house. Now what is a pakka house? House that is made up of bricks and cement is called pakka house. Then come to kacha house. In kacha house, example is hut. Hut, we can see hut where in villages, and the kacha house, they are made up of mud, straw and thatches. So they are called, and they are kacha, so they are called kacha house. Then come to temporary houses. Temporary houses, example of temporary houses: tent, caravan, stilt. And the example of big and strong houses are bungalow, apartment and multi-story building. Okay, now come to page 32. Now in types of houses, we can see different types of houses around us. Some of them are big and some are small, and some houses are built strong while others are temporary. Big and strong houses. First is bungalow. Bungalow. Okay, now what is bungalow? Bungalow are big houses with many rooms, and they usually have single or 2 stories. They may have gardens, lawns or veranda, and there are many rooms in bungalow because it is a big house. Now apartment and multi-story buildings. Okay, multi-story houses have more than one floor. They are popular as flats or apartments, and many families live in these houses. Now come to temporary houses. The temporary houses, first is tent. Tent. Some houses are made of caravans. They are called canvas, and they are called tents. People can fold them and carry them anywhere. Tents are very easy to put up, and people who trek use tent for camping. Then caravan. Caravan are houses on wheels. Children, can you see the wheels? People who move from one place to another live in these types of houses. Then hut and stilt. Hut, okay, it is made up of straw, mud, thatches. Then stilt. What is a stilt? Stilt houses, they are built on stilt or high bamboo. Can you see the bamboos, children? These are the bamboos and high bamboos. They are built on stilt or high bamboo poles. We find them in places with heavy rainfall. And these houses, they are high above the ground. Okay, so these were the houses, types of houses we have seen: big and strong houses, temporary houses, and big and strong houses, they are called pakka house. Then kacha house is there. Then temporary house. Temporary houses, I want to tell you, a house that we use to live in for a short period of time is called a temporary house. Okay children, so this was all we have studied today. Today we have finished the lesson, and let's do the exercise for your homework. So for that, take out page 33. Exercise A, complete the following boxes. 1. We take bath in. Now there are boxes made and you have to fill the missing letters. BATH, bath. ROOM, room, bathroom. In dash, in boxes, many boxes, we cook food. Okay, KITCHN, kitchen. In kitchen we cook food. Then 3, we eat food. Where do we eat food? Dash, room. Which room? Dining room. DINING ROOM, room. Then 4, we welcome our guest in guest room. GUEST, guest room. 5th, a bungalow is a strong house. Now come to B. Write the following. 1. Two types of houses. Two types of houses you can write. Kacha house, pakka house. Then second, 2 rooms in a house. Bathroom, bedroom. Now see, fill color in this house. So you can see this house. In this house you all have to fill the colors. Okay children. So now tomorrow we will going to do the whole exercises of this lesson. Okay, so now this lesson is complete now, and now tomorrow again we will be meeting. Till then, take care and goodbye.